I'm Dr. Amy Brodsky, board-certified dermatologist and advisor to NuImage Medical, here to talk about NuDew. NuDew is an incredible hair loss treatment that contains minoxidil, finasteride, and ketoconazole. You've probably heard of minoxidil because it targets follicular cells by enhancing hair growth and reducing hair loss. It's one of the first things that I prescribe when I diagnose a patient with hair loss. Finasteride has proven to decrease DHT levels to improve hair loss and stimulate hair follicles. This medication is typically taken as a tablet, but studies have shown you can achieve similar results when it's applied topically. Plus, you may avoid harmful side effects such as decreased libido or sexual dysfunction. And ketoconazole is an antifungal medication used to treat skin infections, and studies have shown it can improve hair density as well as the size and proportion of the hair follicle. That's why NuDew contains all three ingredients. It gives you a proven method to restore, maintain, and prevent future hair loss. NuDew is available as a spray that's easy to use. Just apply to the affected area of your scalp twice a day. Or try NuDew Max, the same formula as NuDew with the powerful addition of dutasteride. This medication has shown to produce the biggest increase in total hair count after 6 months of use. NuDew Max is available in a gel. Simply apply and leave in your hair. It's that simple. These are just some of the many products offered by NuImage Medical. We also offer solutions for weight loss, sexual health, and aging. NuImage sets you up with a licensed medical professional to get a prescription without the hassle of an office visit. Visit NuImageMedical.com today to take control of your health and find the solution that works for you.